Welcome. Thank you for joining me. This is a great practice when you are short on time to help relieve sore muscles after a day of work or play, or if you need to get back into the flow after being under the weather or out of practice. Stand at the front edge of your mat, feet hip width apart. Bring your hands together in prayer pose. Bring the weight of your head directly over your hips. Close your eyes and take in the sounds of the space, but allow them to pass and don't create stories. Instead, turn deeply into yourself. Noticing your breath, widen your tongue to the roof of your mouth while keeping space between the upper and lower rows of teeth. This will allow the widening of the throat and the audible sound to the breath. Feel the low belly on the exhale move towards the spine. Keep it there, and on the next inhale, the rib cage will expand on all sides. Try and maintain this throughout practice. If you notice a fidgeting or your mind wandering, gently come back to focus on the breath. Breathing is the central focus of all asana, so never take an asana pose without a breath. Bring awareness back to the hands in front of the heart space. Think of a positive word or phrase to guide you in practice. This word or phrase is an intention, and it's like a seed for manifestation. What do you want to manifest today? Inhale your arms up. If it feels comfortable, you can take a slight back bend. And exhale as you forward fold with bent knees, drawing in your low belly. Inhale, halfway lift. And as you exhale, step your left foot back into a lunge. Lower your left knee to the ground. Inhale your arms up, taking the slight back bend. Exhale as you place your hands next to your front foot and step back into downward dog. As you inhale, bring your left foot forward. Lower your right knee to the ground and inhale your arms up into a slight back bend. Place your hands next to your foot as you exhale and step forward. Halfway lift with an inhale and exhale as you forward fold. Inhale up, reaching up, taking a slight back bend, and bring your hands to your heart space. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, stepping your right foot back into a lunge. Lower your right knee to the ground and inhale your arms up into a slight back bend. Exhale as you place your hands next to your front foot and step back into down dog. Bring your right foot forward. Lower your left knee to the ground. Inhale your arms up into a slight back bend. And as you exhale, place your hands to your front foot and come back into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale as you forward fold. With bent knees, inhale your arms up, taking a slight back bend, and exhale as you forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale as you forward fold. Inhale your arms up into a slight back bend, and exhale your hands back in front of your heart space. Inhale your arms up, exhale forward fold, inhale halfway lift, and as you exhale, step to your left foot back to a lunge. Lower your left knee to the ground and inhale your arms up. Exhale your hands to your front foot and step back into down dog. Step your left foot forward. Inhale your arms up, taking a slight back bend. Exhale as you step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. With bent knees, inhale your arms up. Take a slight arch, back bend, and exhale as you bring your hands back in front of your heart space. Inhale your arms up, and exhale as you forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Step your right foot back into a lunge. Lower your right knee to the ground, and inhale your arms up. Exhale as you place your hands next to your front foot and step back into down dog. Inhale your arms up. And exhale as you step forward into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale as you forward fold. Inhale, arms up, and exhale as you bring your hands back to your heart space. Inhale your arms up, forward fold with an exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. And this time, if you're able to, jump back to chaturanga. Inhale up into upward dog, and exhale as you push back into down dog. This time, stay in down dog for a moment, keeping the same rhythm to your breath. If your mind wanders, come back to the word or phrase that you said at the beginning of practice. And on your next exhale, bend your knees and jump forward to forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. And on your next inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale your hands back into your heart space. Inhale your arms up. Exhale as you forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And jump back into chaturanga. Upward dog. And exhale into downward dog. Draw your low belly in and up. And continue breathing with the same rhythm. You can bike pedal your feet and look forward, and with bent knees, hop forward to forward fold. Inhale your arms up with bent knees, take a slight back bend. Come back to standing tall with your head directly over your hips, and lower your right arm down to the side of your thigh. And with your exhale, lean over to the right side, lowering your hand on the side of your leg. Look down at the ground. Get a nice stretch on the left side ribs. Feel the stretch growing with each inhale and exhale. Inhale your right hand up and exhale your left hand down to the side of your thigh. And on your next exhale, lean over to the left side. Inhale, your ribs open on the right side of your body. And continue to breathe deeply to open the ribs on that side. Inhale back up to center. And exhale your hands back to your heart space. Inhale your arms up again. Exhale forward. Inhale halfway lift. This time, bend your knees and sit back into chair pose, reaching your arms up. With your next exhale, bring your hands to your heart space And begin to twist to the right, bringing your left elbow over your right knee. Look towards the ground and notice if one knee has pushed out further than the other. Try to keep them in alignment. Staying in chair pose, go ahead and inhale your arms back up to center and exhale as you bring them to the other side. Once again, you can look at your knees to make sure that they are in alignment. Draw in the low belly as you twist. And go ahead and come back to center, standing up as you inhale your arms up and exhale as you bring them back to your heart space. As you bring your hands to your heart space, give gratitude to yourself for coming to the mat. Think of the word or phrase that you set as your intention at the beginning of class. Use this time to digest fully everything that you have done and to notice what comes up. I'm sending gratitude to you. May you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you are able to find some time outside and enjoy nature.